Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable watermark in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, tap on the gear icon here to access its settings, go to the photo settings, and here you can enable watermark. You can enable timestamp and device watermark too. And now every photo you take will be marked with its watermark, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.